To prepare for Yoga Nidra, please find yourself a comfortable posture lying down on your back, a posture that's comfortable and you can be still and motionless throughout the whole meditation. The Yoga Nidras take about 20-30 minutes. You'll need padding under your head, padding under your legs, and you need to cover your body as well as covering the eyes because your temperatures will drop. And so when you're in meditation, you want to be motionless so that you can really experience yourself as who you really are, and to receive a healing shift within your whole beingness. Enjoy the Yoga Nidra. Practice at least once a day, sometimes twice daily, mornings, evenings, through the day if you have time. Also, sometimes after a Yoga Nidra meditation, sometimes you have emotions come up. Maybe your body just doesn't feel balanced. If there's not exact harmony, alignment, and peace, quickly repeat the Yoga Nidra again, okay? And because things come up so that you can release them. That's what Yoga Nidra is all about. It's an ancient sleep-based meditation. You will thoroughly enjoy it. Be in touch with me. It's all good. Allow things that are coming up to be released. Watch them as they come up, just like clouds in the clear blue sky. Talk to you soon. Thanks for being here.